Hi, so we're going to be taking a look at this lock today. As you can see, I've already taken out the bolts here, here, and here. These are Phillips head bolts, unscrewed from the back. I was actually replacing some parts earlier on this, and I believe that I installed this spring incorrectly. So what I will be doing is I will be taking apart this handle mechanism here and reassembling it in the correct way. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out this set screw. As you can see, there's a set screw right here. As you can see, that popped out. Now, I apologize, this will not be a very high production value video, but I've seen a lot of these and they really help me out when I'm trying to fix something. There wasn't one on YouTube for this. This is I believe a 5/64 hex key. As you can see, that freed up this piece here. From there, I'm going to use a pair of these, I think they're called slip ring pliers or something like that, to get this. Sorry about the hand in the way there, but you can see I'm just spreading this and sliding it off. They're these aluminum washers. I basically timed it so that it would be tight with mine and then put some silicone grease. So there are two here. Let's put those off to the side, and then you can see the spring here. I'll put that off to the side. Your piece may look different than mine in terms of this. I actually got this from a parts kit that I ordered online to rebuild this door. As you can see, it limits the travel of the handle like this. The one that I had in the door actually didn't have a limiter, and that's actually why I think that I broke the spring originally. So I'll take this out, and then you can see that there is I actually used the steel spacer here, nothing underneath it. Let's see here, I'd already cleaned this. And then on the other side, there's a clear spacer underneath this one. So what I'll do is I'll try to get this up for you. Yeah, there you go. So you can kind of see how there is not sure if it'll come into focus, but you see that there are two here, and there's a bit of a shelf on this one. So I will put this back in here. Then I will put this spacer here. Now, please excuse if this is not the way that yours goes together. I had to kind of trial and error mine to get to work. Let's see here. I do not know why that's not going there. There we go. Clipped into place. Put this on. And what I want to do is I actually want to wind this so that this piece is over here. And doing that, I think, will be easier said than done. So what I will do is I'm going to go grab a set of needle nose pliers. I'll try to be able to catch that. What I'm worried about is I'll have nothing retaining it on there, and it will just pop right off. So give me a second, I'll grab some needle nose pliers. All right, I'm back. Wow. First try, pretty good, eh? Now, I will put these two washers back over on this. And then the slip ring. We'll reinstall. This slip ring, I'll call it a wrench, slip ring pliers. So that's probably the right name for it. I just got from Walmart. It was in a kit. It was about $5. So in terms of tools, you'll need, obviously you'll need that hex key, and then you'll need this wrench. Now getting this to line up, as I was going to say, is a little bit tricky because there's a bit of a gap under here. I'm not sure if you can see that or not, but the ring is supposed to sit in there, and then that'll retain everything and provide the tension, or excuse me, not provide, but retain the tension. So what I found is if I can get it over at least, there we go, I'm over at the back. And then I like to time it so that it's over like this. And what I found is just by pressing down, you're able to kind of snap it into place like this. As you can see, there's still a little ways to go here, but what you can see is this door handle now, you can see it's on a spring to go back up, which is exactly what you want. Now what I will do is I'll put this back in. Now keep in mind there's a groove here. As you can see, there's only a groove on one side. What you want to do is you want to make sure that that groove is on the same side that this retention, I'll call it a retention bolt, maybe would be the name of it. If you really want it to stay, as you can see, we at one point had tried to kind of drill in or really press in to make it do that. You shouldn't really need to do that. The reason that we had originally done that is we didn't have the kit. We were just trying to fix it as is. If you have any questions or anything on this, ask me. Willing to help out with this. I know that there have been a lot of YouTube videos I've looked at for things like this, and they've really helped me out. So, yeah. All right. Well, hey, thanks, and good luck with getting your handle back together.